Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 how to move taskbar to the top. Click search icon, type Regedit, right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand Explorer. Click StuckRec 3. Export StuckRec 3 key to any location for future use. If any error in registry editing, simply import this file. Open Settings. Change under the value FE to 01. Click the cursor to this position. Press Delete key to one time. Type 01. Click OK. Right-click Start, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. You can reverse changes by editing same way. Click the cursor to this position. Press Delete key to one time. Type 03, click OK. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.